Upper cervical's on the right side. I want you to relax right in here for me. Very good. Okay, relax right here for me. Upper cervical right in here as well. Relax for me. Very good. Okay. Very good. Okay. We've noted some trigger points down in the low back region, down in the sacral region. So we're going to go ahead and palpate briefly right in here, and we're going to adjust through this region. Take a deep breath for me, and all the way out. Very good. Turn facing the opposite way. Okay. Sit up right in here. Right there. Take a deep breath for me, and all the way out. Very good.
You want me to take those up?
That should be fine. Really good. Okay.
All right, so we got one here, one here. So relax from it as much as you can. Perfect. All right, deep breath for me. And relax. Nice. Every time you smell it. One more. Good.
Kind of quite frequently, and you can address those areas. That's a good one. And also,
Here. So let's have your shoulders come back for me. Relax your head and just lean back. Relax for me. Very good. Okay. Very good. How's that, Neva?
Good.
Good. Very good. Very good. Okay. Very good. Deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Turn facing the opposite way for me. Top leg bent, bottom leg straight. Right there. Here. Relax the arms. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good.
But just a very small adjustment. I'm not even going to do a big one. Just a small little touch. Drop into my left hand. Here we go. That wasn't too scary, was it?
That was not.
We're not going to hurt you, eh?
Oh, no.
How was that?
That was good.
Our cervicals here. And we're going to go ahead and go posterior to anterior here. Relax for me. Very good. Excellent movement. Would you relax here for me? Excellent. Very good. Okay. Let's have you lay face down right here on the table. We already know that around T5 he has some restriction here. Let me have you take a deep breath in for me and completely exhale. Very good. Okay. Take a deep breath in for me and completely exhale. Very good. I want you to relax here. We're going to go ahead and get some movement in the cervical thoracic junction. So about C7, T1 region. Take a deep breath and completely exhale. Okay. Relax right in here. Take a deep breath and completely exhale. Very good.